where children played, learned, dreamed. On December 16, 2014, something happened very sad. We are going to not talk about the scary details. Instead, we remember the courage and bravery of teachers and students. They helped each other and stayed strong even in difficult times. Their courage still inspired the whole nation, and they taught us that no darkness can stop the light of knowledge. So friends, APS teachers and students are our heroes. They remind us to value education, face each challenge with bravery, respect your friends and teachers. These are role models for each child in Pakistan. So friends, listen it carefully. You may be small. You can do amazing things. Even small action, learning hard, being kind with your family and friends can make a big difference. APS student says that child can be strong and brave no matter their age. So let's promise together today. We will never stop learning. We will work hard. We will respect our family and friends. We will do good for Pakistan. So friends, please tell me in the comment what you want to do when you grow up for Pakistan. See, even small child can make a big difference if they are hard work and strong. Pakistan becomes strong when its children are strong. So let's promise together today. We will show love and kindness. We will value our education. We will never give up. So friends, the APS students and teachers will live in our hearts, and their courage will inspire us every day. On December 16, remember everyone, follow the path of learning, do good for Pakistan, and never give up on your dreams. So friends, the heroes of APS are our heroes, and their bravery is our inspiration. So friends, if you like my video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Suqrat Learning Land.